Enhancing the already popular automotive package, Automotive Diagnostics is a platform offering failure demonstration, failure settings, report generation, as well as the users will work with common tools such as multimeters. There are 3 modules within the system: circuit diagram failure, random failure, and failure type. Within the circuit diagram failure, users can conduct the failure settings in the circuit diagram. Users can select the failure scope within idle speed and select the system from the circuit diagram to set up the failure. When the user selects the Start button, they will enter the training interface. Here is a sample. The Random Failure module, users can conduct random failure settings by selecting the failure scope and troubleshooting time for a simple failure test. The Failure Type module, users can view an automotive maintenance case and conduct corresponding failure settings in this interface. By selecting the Start button, users enter into a fault-free mode, allowing users to identify sensors throughout the vehicle. By creating an immersed learning experience, the virtual automotive training apps better prepare students to take industry certifications and join the workforce. For more information, visit zspace.com.